Hello people, you're welcome to my channel JojoConnect. On this channel I make videos on how to get various things done easy and simple. On today's video I want to show you how to create a thumbnail for your YouTube videos using your mobile phone. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell so that you will know when I drop new videos. So let's get into today's tutorial. First things first, I will be making use of PicsArt to design my thumbnails for my YouTube videos right from my phone. So the first thing you have to do is to download the app PicsArt from your App Store or your Play Store. So I'll just click on the PicsArt app on my phone. So you don't have to create an account, you can just go ahead and use it without creating an account. So I'm just going to click on skip. Then it will take you to the platform to start off your design. So the plus sign here is what I'll click. I'll just click on the plus sign. Then you click on pick canvas. Now there are various canvas you can make use of as your background. I always like to use this particular canvas with the size 1280 by 720. It's perfect for the thumbnail size. So all you have to do is to also decide whether you want to use a white background or you want to use a black background or you want to use any of this background as shown on the display. But I always like to design my thumbnail with a white background. I'm just going to click on the white background and then you click the arrow right here. Now you can start designing your thumbnail right from this platform. Please just watch as I continue the tutorial.